Ever stop to think if all those online forms you use are actually the same? Well, let's dive in.
At first glance, yeah, they all kind of look alike. But what's really happening behind the screen? We're comparing a simple online form with a real operational platform, the SFDP Digital Register.
The real difference isn't the features, it's the purpose. One just collects data, the other actually runs things.
And this is a crucial point. One is for, surveys, the other is for real-time governance.
Yeah, think of it like this. Online forms are static. SFDP registers are for continuous, daily operational processes.
Okay, so when an entry is made, who's truly accountable? This is everything in operations.
See, with forms, you don't always know who's submitting. With SFDP, every action is tied directly to a user. And what that gives you is clear accountability. It's totally ready for an audit and gives you strong governance.
All right, now for the next big difference. What actually happens after you click that submit button?
A form is usually a dead end. SFDP, on the other hand, kicks off a process, like an approval.
This built-in workflow supports actual decision-making and control. It's not just about simple data entry. But can you really prove where and when something happened? With just a basic form? Probably not. SFDP provides full traceability with features that can verify an event right there on the ground. So you're moving from questionable data to trusted, audit-ready records of what actually happened. This makes SFDP a true platform that's built for scale, consistency, and long-term governance. So to sum it all up in one line, one tool collects data, the other one creates control. Okay, let's make this super practical. Here's a clear guide on when to use which tool. If you just need simple feedback or answers for a one-time survey, a basic form is perfectly fine. But if the who, when, where, and why truly matters for your operations, you need a digital register. It's a really important question to ask about your own operations. Thanks so much for watching.